Hello YouTube. Today we will be seeing how to auto-generate table of contents and how to auto-generate the list of figures using Microsoft Word 2013. So as you can see that I am having one Word file. What I'll do, I'll just write something context. Suppose if I write something like header 1, I'll copy this. So just let me my header 2, let this be my header 3. Okay. So to generate a list of tables from this contents of headers, what we can do is you can just go to home. As you can see that there is a list of options for different kinds of headers. Let us modify the header 1. We'll just right click over there and click on modify. Over here you set the font style, font size, the effects that you want to give and the font color. So for the simplicity, I am setting the H1 header as Times New Roman, font size to be 16, bold, and color be an automatic. So I click on OK. The context for which you want to set the header 1, you will select that and click on header 1. Similarly, you can go for header 2. You right click on that, modify. I'll set Times New Roman 14, bold, let the color be a black or automatic, whatever you want. Let this be an header 2. Similarly, you go for header 3, right click, modify, Times New Roman 13, bold and black. So as you can see that I have created 3 headers of different styles. So what is the use of it is that you will have a chapter 1 and that includes some chapter kind like let be 1.1. In this 1.1 you have again sub chapters, let it be 1.1.1. So you got an idea how to set an headers. So basically the use of this header is that if you want to generate the list of tables from this headers, you can generate it very easily. What you need to do is I'll just insert one break page so that I can show you how to create a list of tables. What you can do is that go to reference, insert table of contents, select the formatting style that you want. For simplicity I'll select automatic table 2. As you can see that automatically the sub chapters along with that the page number is auto included. You can modify the formatting as per your requirement. For example, if I set it as Times New Roman 16 and let it be an header one. Okay, next again I'll include one more header. I'll copy this, paste it, I'll set it to. So as you can see that already have included header 2 but it is not shown in the table of contents. What I can do is that I can select it and update the entire table. As you can see the header 2 is also included. In case if you want to modify the style sheet effects, you can change the modifications can be listed out here. Suppose if I want header 1 that to be a bold, so I can select it to be a bold. So you can see header 1 header 2 automatically set to be a bold. So this is how you add a table of content. So the very next context is that how to auto generate a list of figures. These are the common problems that engineering students do faces the problem that how automatically we can generate a table of list of figures. The idea is quite simple. What you can do is that first of all I have some image. Let be this on some image sample. I'll paste it. Sorry. Let this be an image. I'll copy. I'll paste it over here. So as you can see that I'm having some figure. So normally what student do is that uh, images that they have, they directly write the context at the bottom by pressing enter and they write the context. But this is not right way of inserting or giving a caption to a figure. The right way is that select a figure, just put it, place it to a center, right click over that, click on insert caption. Okay, go to numbering. Suppose if you want 1.1, 1 be a chapter name and point 1 be the sub figure list. Suppose if chapter 1 has 5 list of figures, so it will list 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 in sense 1 point until 10. Okay, so you can have a period also, you can have a colon also, hyphen also. For simplicity I'll keep it as period. Then I'll select okay. Okay, name the figure. Suppose if I write that HTL logo, something like that, right? Okay, so as you can see that it shows an HTL logo. Now as you can see that it shows 0.1 instead of 1.1. You can have 1.1. What you need to do is that over here write one dot. So as you can see that numbering auto format is there. See, auto numbering is there. Now do one thing. Select on the image. First of all, I'll remove this. Again, I'll right click, insert caption, space. I'll paste it. Okay. So as you can see, again the same problem is there. So we'll see what the problem is. I'll cut this. I'll place it in this 1.1 chapter. I'll paste it over here. I'll insert caption. I'll write HTL logo. Right, okay. So done. See, what the problem prior to this was that I was including an image that was in a header too, and we're trying to get figure. So actually the numbering is 1, and if I'm trying to insert it, that it get confused because I'm having two headers, so the figure list should be 2.1 instead of 1.1. So we'll again copy this, paste it over here. Okay, I'll name it as chapter 2. Okay, I'll again insert a caption. I'll write something like HTL logo 2. Okay, see, you can see 2. Now you can modify the figure. You can change the formatting of that. You can have it times Roman 11 as per your need. So this was the simplest way. I'll do the same for this also. I can write times Roman 11. Okay, so how to get this list of figure? So I'll do same. I'll, I'll press enter over here. I'll insert page break over here, this empty page. What I'm going to do is I'll go to references. Over here you can see insert list of figures. So I'll click on list of figures, click on OK. As you can see that you can have a list of figures that are auto generated as per the page numbering. Thank you. Please keep subscribed.